Hello everyone in Cyber World, welcome back to another video. I'm Richard.
And I'm Jennifer, and this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY. This is a cordless caulking device from Makita, and why I ordered this was because we use this thing right here, and this, every time I use it, squeeze the handle and the caulking comes out. It's very difficult for me. We used it for a long time and it gave my hand cramp. So what I asked Mr. Corman is if he could order me a Makita. Now let's take a look at what's inside. And now I'm going to test it.
Here's the device itself. It is a really simple concept. It's just like a manual one where you have a rod that you use to pull out first. And in this case, we used a lot of adhesive, but it works for any other tube of this size. Load it in. As long as you have your battery, then it's a matter of, you can actually set the speeds on this one here. The higher the speed, the more force it'll apply, and it'll just pour tons all at once. In our case, one of the projects that we utilized this on, that actually came in quite handy to do that. It's probably not ideal for using the caulking if you want to do fine caulking against the floorboards or something along those lines. So you could just slow it down to a smaller one and keep a small hole when you cut into the tube there. Overall, I'm with Mrs. Poor Man here. This thing was just wonderful. When she suggested that she wanted this, I had no intentions of arguing with her. So I was like, okay, I'll get one. When the truth is, I wanted one as well. I will admit though, I was a little bit intimidated by this, and I had to do some caulking on the next project, some fine areas. And I didn't actually use this. I went back to the manual way because I was a little bit worried that this would put out too much and I wouldn't be able to make a nice clean bead. And so I promise though, the next time if I do that, I will definitely use this because you can control the speed, how much comes out. It's just a matter of getting used to the grip and the trigger to make sure you can take out a fine layer and pull it and make it smooth and even the whole way through. All in all though, I am not going to get rid of this. I'm keeping this thing for sure. This is definitely a lifesaver. Just a tiny pinch and it's pouring out, and it was just happening.
It was so easy too.
It was so
easy to use.
It was a lot of fun.
Yes.
And as I said, next week we're going to be using this for our project. That we used quite a few of these tubes. I don't remember how many we did. So we'll get to show you on that one there.
Tell us what you think about our review in the comment section below, and please don't forget to subscribe.
So until we see you again next week, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.